Welcome back to Joe Vester Trades. My name is Joseph, and in today's video, I'll be going over how I made $50 in 3 minutes trading Tesla call options. Now, I know what you guys are thinking, $50 isn't a lot of money, but believe it or not, I was actually up $125 within 30 seconds of entering this play, and I did not take those profits. Now, I rarely trade Tesla call options because it scares the shit out of me, but I saw a pattern forming that I was pretty comfortable with, and I still wanted to take this play. Another trade that I want to take you guys through was a swing that I bought last Friday and I closed this morning for about a 40% return. If you go on to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So as you guys can see here, I have Tesla pulled up on the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute is where I mainly do all my day trading. Occasionally I'll switch to the 5, but I like to use the 1 minute. So the first thing I noticed here with Tesla was that it was holding up pretty well in pre-market, and right around after 8:30 it starts to fall, and it falls all the way into market open. Now I love seeing this with stocks because it gives me an opportunity to play the recovery or even do a quick bounce play as it's downtrending. So I'll kind of take you guys through my entry, my exit, and how I could have played this better. So the first thing is that I'm going to draw this support line that I saw Tesla forming on the 1 minute time frame, and it was bouncing it was bouncing from this line as well as the lower VWAP pretty consistently. So I knew I wanted to play a bounce here. And as you can see, it's getting rejected at the 9 EMA as it's downtrending. So originally I was actually thinking about buying puts, but I learned that you never bet against Tesla, so I was just waiting for it to fall to the support levels for me to buy a call. And I'll show you guys my exit right here on, or my entry, my bad, right here on Robinhood. If we go down to Tesla, we can see that I bought one contract here for $14.50 and I got filled at 9:50 a.m. So right here on the chart, you can see this 9:50 candlestick. I actually got filled right at the bottom of it, right on that support line that I drew. And that kind of explains why I was up so much, was because my entry was literally almost perfect. So right here, I got filled here, and then it starts to push back up. And this is where I was up $125 within a few seconds of entering this play. And I'll show you guys a screenshot of my contract as I was in it. And at the top, you can see that I took that screenshot at 9:50, which is on this candlestick. So as I stated before, I didn't secure my profits. I was looking for a push closer to this EMA line or even potentially to break above, but that did not happen and we got this red candlestick. And right here, I'm around break even on my contract. And then on the next candlestick, I was down. I was down about 70 bucks, but I wasn't going to sell here because these are strong. This is a strong support line that it was on, as well as the lower VWAP. So it had a lot of potential to go up. After this, I was looking for a bounce, and right after I got this push up on the next candlestick, I got out here at 9:53. We'll show you on Robinhood. Contract sell. I got filled here at 9:53 for $1,500. So I made a quick $50 on this play. It was a pretty simple play. It was just a bounce off support levels, and I was looking for a ride higher. Now, I could have played this a little bit better, but that didn't happen, and because I only had one contract, I wanted to make sure that I was playing better safe than sorry. So I didn't continue to hold that contract. As you can see, Tesla started to go up after I sold, and I left a few $100s on the table. Now, the next play I want to take you guys through was a swing that I did on FuelCell, and we'll go over here to the 4-hour, and then I'll switch to my swing trading studies. Now, I do like this chart because FuelCell has a tendency to push up, approach these upper or overbought territory on the RSI, and then have a pull back, typically around this 50 SMA. So right here is where I was eyeing on FuelCell, which was Friday, January 8th on towards the end of the day. So I knew I was able to play puts for this play because it was approaching, well, it was overbought on the RSI, and it had this long wick, which kind of shows weakness or that the sellers are taking control. So I knew I could play this play at least to its previous swing high, which is right here around this 1355 mark, and this was another support level, as you can see, for FuelCell. And so I was pretty comfortable entering on this play right around market close, and I'll show you guys on Robinhood. If we go to FuelCell and then we go to my history, show more, you can see here I placed an order to buy FuelCell on January 8th, and I got filled at 3:51, which is 9 minutes before the market close. And I bought each contract for $1.23, and I bought 2 of them. So then I'll take you guys through my exit and why I exited this play this morning. So if we go to the lower time frame, switch back to day trading. Right here, as you can see, I sold my first contract for $170. So that's a nice, quick, easy profit. And I got out right at market open at 9:30. FuelCell and pre-market fell hard. It was down about 8% when I woke up. As you can see, it reached this low and then it fell again here around 9:15 and then started to push up. And right here on this first red candlestick, I saw it got rejected at VWAP level, so I wanted to secure some profit. Now, the reason why I didn't sell both of my contracts was because I wanted to see if it could fall further. And right here on this green candlestick, you can see it kind of gets rejected around that level with that wick. So I kind of figured that it could fall a little bit further, but that did not happen. And I finally got filled at 9:33 for $147 on my last contract. So a bit of a smaller profit. And that was right here on this push above the VWAP. So overall, I was pretty happy with the profit that I got on FuelCell. It was a simple swing trade, and I hope you guys learned from these 2 trades. As you can see, those were 2 of the most recent trades that I did. The first one being a day trade on Tesla with a bounce from a support line, and then the second one being a put that I swung over the weekend as FuelCell was showing signs of weakness at market close last Friday. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading recaps. Also, if you want to be a part of a Discord with like-minded individuals and learn more about trading, make sure to check the Discord channel in the description below. See you guys in the next one.